In her book, Help for Billy, Heather Forbes describes the window of stress tolerance. Each individual is able to handle the stress of day-to-day events in different ways. Some individuals, such as Andy, who is on the left, are able to handle much stress during the day. This could include not bringing a lunch to school, missing a ride, perhaps a social media text that is describing something that is frustrating to him. Andy has coping skills. Andy has not experienced trauma in his life, and therefore his window of tolerance of difficult situations happening to him and the stimuli of sights and sounds of the world coming at him do not throw him off. He's able to use his strategies and stay regulated, meaning that he's able to respond versus react to situations as they happen in the moment. Billy, on the other hand, on the right, you can see his stress baseline is very low. Billy would be an individual who has experienced trauma in his life. He enters the school day already stressed out and already in a state of dysregulation, and or when he is unable to handle emotions and feelings in a productive and a responsible manner. Therefore, when something small happens, such as perhaps another student stepping on his shoe, an adult offering a comment that he views as unfair, Billy may move to a stress point where it breaks and he acts out and or displays other symptoms of trauma that have been previously discussed. It's important to understand that students who have experienced trauma may have very low stress tolerance, and therefore when they, quote, explode or overreact to smaller situations that you would deem to be too much based on what actually happened, it may actually be that they no longer have the coping skills or the ability to regulate their body so as to listen fully and respond in a productive manner.